Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, March 12th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up by about 6.5 points right now to 27.90 per contract. You can see the futures were a little bit lower here, but they have snapped back into positive territory. We had a little bit of economic data out a little while ago. You could check that out for yourself. Either way, the charts are holding up pretty well. We had a pretty good day yesterday in the markets. A big rally really across the board. It was broad-based, and we'll see if the market can build upon that today. But we have stocks in the news, and that's where we're going to focus our attention. First stock up is going to be Boeing. Boeing yesterday was a wild one. Stock finished down just 5% when it was all said and done. But today it is getting a little bit of a haircut again. It looks like some other airlines around the world have grounded their 737 MAX 8 jets. So again, Boeing coming under some pressure here, trading at $386.60 right now. Stock closed at $400.01 yesterday. So you can see a little bit of a haircut here today, but that could create some trading opportunities. We'll be keeping this one on the radar. We'll be watching this one once the opening bell rings today. Next up, I want to take a look at Dick's Sporting Goods. DKS is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $36.65, closed at $38.89. So you got a little bit of a haircut here. When I look at Dick's Sporting Goods, one level that does catch my eye today is going to be at $34.45. If it gets there, I do think there's a play, so keep that on the radar today, $34.45. If Dick's Sporting Goods trades down there, I think we have a lot of support in that general range. So again, that should be a pretty decent day trade, pretty decent scalp play this morning if we do hit that level. Next up, we want to take a look at HPE, which is Hewlett Packard Enterprises. I believe this is trading at $15.30, closed at $15.89. This is on the back of a downgrade, so that stock's a little bit under pressure. The only level that really interests me for this stock would be around $14.60. If it gets to $14.60, maybe even $14.65, I think there is a potential play there. So keep that one on the radar today as well. Next up, we're going to take a look at SFIX. SFIX is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $34.09, closed at $26.98. So this is a monster pop. Again, this stock is in an uptrend now, so it might have a little bit more upside to go. I don't see any levels here just yet where I would get in front of this on the short side. Nice pop for SFIX. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. I'll see if I can work out some mathematical resistance points. Next up, I want to take a look at UNFI, which is United Foods. Stock is trading at $14.25 right now. Looks like it closed at $14.69, so you got a little bit of a haircut. This looks like this was downgraded today, so we'll see how that plays out. Nothing I'm seeing right now that gives me all that much interest. If it got down to 12.5 or something, that might be a play there. Nothing before that. Let's take a look at MOMO. MOMO. Stock right now is trading at $35.75. It closed at $32.55 yesterday. This is getting a nice little bid. It looks like it's on the back of earnings. So MOMO on the move. We'll see if it could really get above that 36 level. When you look at the daily chart of this, you can see 36 has definitely been a resistance zone. Then you have a move potentially up to 37.25, 37.28, which would be the 200 period moving average. But MOMO catching a nice little bid. I don't really see anything wrong here. It might have a little bit more upside later in the day. Next up, we want to take a look at Eli Lilly. LLY is a ticker symbol there. Stock was upgraded today. Looks like it closed at $123.50, now trading at $124. Not a big mover there. Let's take a look at Monster Beverage, MNST. It looks like this was downgraded today. Stock is trading at $60.39, closed at $61.19. The only level that really interests me, you'll have a little gap area right around the $58 area if it got down there. That could be of interest, but again, we'd have to look at that one when it hits. Next up, let's take a look at Tesla, TSLA. Tesla back in the news today. It looks like target was lowered at Morgan Stanley. So Tesla trading at $287.60. Stock closed at $290.92. So looks like Morgan Stanley lowered their target. And I think they lowered it down to $260, but you could check that news out for yourself. Either way, Tesla under a little bit of pressure. Not much I would do with it right here. Let's take a look at COUP, which is Coupa Software. This stock right now trading at $97, closed at $93.57. This is on the back of earnings, I believe, so nice little move there. Still a lot of resistance around 100 to 101 if it does rally up further. So, again, if you own Cooper, trail your stop loss. If you don't own it, leave it alone here at this point in time. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold is catching a bid today. GLD right now trading at 122.73, closed at 122.24. Spot gold at the moment trading higher by $7.70 to $1,298.70 an ounce. So gold on the move this morning. Crude oil up 47 cents to $57.26 a barrel. So crude is getting a little bit more of a bid. When you take a look at the USO, you'll see that's trading at $11.96. USO is a good ETF to track the movement in crude if you do not have a crude futures chart. So again, that's what we're seeing here this morning. We had a pretty good day out here yesterday. The markets had the big move in Boeing, and we'll see what we get out here today. Again, it's been a great 2019, so if you haven't done so, come on over, join the intraday stock chat room. Take that 7-day free trial. We'd love to have you here. Check it out. See what it's all about. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.